Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're viewing this show from. This is Gold, sponsored by Goldminearoma. Yes, it's another episode today, and I hope you're relaxing. How you have holiday in your side, is on holiday season here, and the children are home. So today I am making a cheese. You have it for your bread, for your yam, for your salad, wherever you use with cheese, right? So I'm using my milk. This is the whole milk. So I add a few drops of vinegar. Then I go cook it in the fire until it curdles. Continue to turn it and let it curdle, right? Take it out of fire. Let's sieve the water out. Alright. Sieve out the water so that we can get enough cheese. So guys, you see? Take out all the juice. This cheese is nice. Do you know that you can actually buy like the cores, or if you want it smoothing out, transfer it to your blender. The cheese is practically ready now. Just depends on your taste. I transfer it to my blender. Check my cheese out. You see? Cheese is ready. Cheese is ready. Look at this. So I'm gonna refrigerate it for like 1 hour. That's all. Oh, yes guys, you see, the cheese is absolutely cheesy, guys. So subscribe, share, like, push the notification button, so anytime we upload new video, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always staying tuned. I will see you in another video. So guys,